Because at the end of the day, I seen my numbers go from like, I think when I first started with y'all, it was like four something way back, but then it went up and then it went down because I got, divorced or whatever. So it took my scores back down. But now I'm rebuilding my credit and I'm almost in the 700s
Let's
again.
go.
So I'm over here like, what? So yeah, you might get off, like they say, you get off, you might fall down, but you dust yourself back off and try again. Don't give up on yourself, because with you guys, y'all make sure y'all give us the tools that we were not taught on what to do. And it's just a simple thing. As long as you follow them every step by step, I've learned that it's going to happen. And don't beat yourself up if you do fall down. If you fall down, then get back up and do it again. It's not that hard.
What
And
a testimony.
yeah, it's not that hard. I mean, yeah, I've been through the ups, the downs, the roller coasters, the ins and outs, but look at me now.
I mean, look at you, honey. Look at you. Y'all see her? Y'all see her? Okay. So, what made you decide to finally take action with Credit Remedy? What was the, like, okay, I gotta do it?
Because I was like, okay, I'm trying to get my business up and running right now. So with me trying to get my business running, you going through, your credit scores going, my credit scores started going back down due to the fact, like I said, I got divorced. And I maxed out all my credit cards and all of that. So by me maxing out all my credit cards to make sure my head stayed above water, I wound up saying, okay, so what can I do right now? And I knew I couldn't do it with my credit cards maxed out. So I said, well, let me join back and see what I can do to make sure it worked the one time. I know it'll work again. So I'll join back and I see my scores climbing again. So that's what took me like, okay, I need to go ahead and get back on deck. And it's not, people think, oh, it's so expensive and it's this is that. Y'all have habits every day. Every day, either y'all smoking, y'all drinking, and whatever you doing. I don't have any habits. My habits is skating.
Okay, but that's a good one. That's a good habit.
So my habits are skating, and it's God, God first. But I'm just saying, at the end of the day, y'all spend more than that on whatever, a pack of cigarettes or whatever it is that you do. So if you invest in yourself, you'll see your blessings come through even more because you're investing in yourself. And that's what you got to do, invest in yourself. So I'm investing in myself. I'm breaking generation curses for my grandbabies. My son, he got they on deck. My son and my daughter, they on deck too. So we good. We good here.
Okay. The whole family line is good. I heard that. I heard that again. Okay. My next question is, because you about to make me cry, because I already know y'all blessings is on the way. What made this program different from other things you may have heard or saw versus the reality of what you've been through as far as Credit Remedies program?
Okay, so I had tried this other company, and when I first tried them, they were trying to get money like right off rip, and they were just trying to consolidate my credit cards, like consolidate this. Well, with Credit Remedy, you all delete, and those are the things that happen that make it really happen. You delete the credit, whatever your history, whatever you got going on, and make sure that it's completely off of there. It's not something that's just on there. Like for instance, when I had my I think it was PIP. Yeah, and they fought tooth and nail, but Credit Remedy came through.
Do you remember how much that account was?
Yes, I remember. It was high because I didn't understand PIP, so I was not educated on that either. We sign up for things to help us out in emergency. So when we sign on to these things and to help us out in emergency, we thinking, okay, it's going to help us so we can go pay. Don't have to keep stealing from Peter to pay Paul. So in that process, I wound up saying, okay, when I finally looked at that bill, I'm like, oh my God, how am I going to have gas and electric in my house? So, you know how we do. So I wound up getting in contact with you all and my niece, Credit Remedy. It's hard, y'all, for me not to say my niece because she is my baby. No, sorry. But anyways.
I love you. It's fine.
I love you more. But anyway, so what I'm saying is my bill, I think it's like almost $6,000. It's gone. It's gone. It's in the wind. It's in the wind. If I try to go back now, it's in the wind, and they can't come back and try to get it. It can't come back and try to do anything. That got deleted. So I'm just